After 1 year, good to see you.
Absolutely. 1 year's gone by.
In, yes, in June it will be 1 year. How are you?
Good, I'm good.
Good to see you. Good to hear from you. Good to be in contact, sure.
Right. So go ahead. What's your objective? Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, first of all, accepting my interview request. It means a lot to me. And you know me from IFTDO conference, where I traveled together with Dr. Sedef Kabash last year in June. It was a big honor for me to be among you, among all leaders, let's say communication leaders. So it was a great time to be there. And I am the executive assistant for 18 years. And right now I am in a textile company, one of the leading one in Bursa in Turkey. So my aim is that to put consciousness of executive assistant job description, to increase it, to add value to this job description. I don't know if you have ever experienced on that position before, maybe not in only your country, it can be in also in other companies that you gone, you gave training. So I thought that maybe you could give some tips for us that will be also a training for us. But before that, I would like you to give a small brief about yourself, who you are, just a short description about yourself.
Sure. So my name is Dr. Sunil Gupta, and I work with Dr. Edward de Bono. He is the world's authority on thinking and creativity. So I run a consulting company out of Dubai, and we have offices in India, at the same time in the Middle East in Muscat. So I train all of the top companies and government on innovation and creativity, how to think, how to be creative. So that's me. Go on. Next question.
Thank you so much. My question is, how do you see this position from your observation, from your point of view? From my side, of course, not only because I am doing this job, it's having a crucial position in the companies. But I also would like to hear where we are globally. How it sounds to you? Would you please give me, what do you think about this position?
Yeah, so I think an executive assistant is not just secretarial job. It is much beyond that. It is being not a lead partner in the business with the senior people. It could be chairman, it could be the executive committee, understanding the future, understanding the company, understanding the future, understanding the plans, understanding the strategy, and helping them to move in that direction. So your job as an executive assistant is not just doing routine filing and stuff like that. It should be much more beyond that. It should be helping the board members to see things differently, for them to strategize, for them to innovate, for them to think how they can add more value in the community that they wish to serve, like maybe some CSR work, which is responsibility work. What are things that they can do differently? So your role is a very important role in the organization. The job can not be typing, dictation, travel arrangement, making the hotel booking. No, it should be beyond that. It should be, okay, next week's meeting, what is likely to be asked by the board members? What documents are needed? What reports are needed? How can I get this report from the factory? How can I get this report from this manager? How can I keep this report ready? So even before they ask for the report is present in the meeting. That'll be the key role that you're supposed to be playing.
Thank you so much. And my second question is, what are the most important capabilities that an executive assistant should have? Maybe you can tell us the first three ones.
Yeah. So first one is your own time management, because if you don't manage your time and priorities, what will happen? You will not be able to satisfy your senior leadership team members. So you have to have good time management. First quality. What is a good time? What jobs to do first? What jobs to do second? How to keep all the papers ready before the meeting? How to ensure everything is ready even before it is asked for? So first things first, how to prioritize. That is the first quality you need to have. Second quality is interpersonal relationship. How to handle everybody. Because different people, different mindset, different attitude. How to handle different people. How to work different mindset. Because each person's thinking different. Let's say somebody says, no, I want this yesterday, I want this tomorrow, I want it now. We should do it like this, we should not do it like this. Then how you're going to deal with all kinds of people? Because in your role, you need to know how to have good relationship with everybody. So human relations, very important in your role as executive assistant. Third is planning and strategic thinking, to be creative. How can you be thinking differently? Because they may ask, now this is the problem, what do you think we should do? We are not getting this payment from this customer, what we should do? So you should be able to give some advice, some creative thinking needed in your job. So top three are: number one, time management and prioritization. Number two, interpersonal relationships, how to handle different people. And number three, your own creativity and strategic thinking. Three important qualities. Three important qualities. Yeah.
Thank you so much. Third question and last question also. What trainings can you suggest executive assistants beside their skills or education? No matter which university they graduated from, we are still open to learn, to get different skills. So which trainings can you suggest us?
So one good course for you would be 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. Second would be 6 Thinking Hats. How to use Dimag, mugs, mukh. How to use in a systematic way. So 7 habits will help you how to prioritize, how to do first things first, how to have good relationship with people, how to listen better to people. Very important. 7 habits available in Turkish, in your language available in Turkey. Then creative thinking. At least these 2 courses very important for you.
Yeah. Okay. Got it. Thank you.
And you should have some exposure to finance also, some basic finance, like some commercial understanding of the business, how to look at profit and loss account, balance sheet, some understanding of the business important.
Got it.
So you can do finance for non-finance. See, there will be this course, finance for non-finance people. Why? Then you are able then to relate to cost, profit. When they discuss these terms, you can talk to them. You can understand the business.
Okay, thank you so much. I am done with the question. I told you that I will not take you longer here, but I appreciate it a lot. You take time for me for this job description interview.
Anytime. Pleasure, and good luck. All the best.
Thank you so much. Bye-bye.
So good to see you.
Bye-bye.